Hello friend, today I'm going to show you this peacock feather mold, how to make it at home with easy materials. First I use mud clay to make the base structure and simple tool. You can use any toothpick or any other thing to make this type of structure. Once this cutting is ready, I will use water and a brush to make a smooth structure. Just simple brush and water, the surface will be smooth. I'm just cleaning and this is the final touch. I'm doing it. After drying it, I put some clay mud outside to hold the mold. I'm using Vaseline, or you can use any kind of oil top of the mud clay. So while making mold, it will come out easily. Once the coating is done, I'm using liquid silicone rubber. This one available in Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere. I have given the link. Even I have given the contact number for the supplier also in the description box. While applying this silicone rubber, we have to be little careful that air bubbles should not be there inside. Generally, I am making this mold for my multiple clay craft or some jewelry box, which one I am planning to make it. For that one, peacock feather, multiple peacock feather is required. So same size, unique shape I need it. For that one, I am making this clay mold. See, one coating is done. I have to keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, I'll give a second coating. I'm just using Vaseline container for mixing that silicone rubber and hardener. I'm using the first hardener and silicone rubber 15% silicone, which one will give a good shape. So I'll keep this one aside for at least 1 hour. Once it get dried up, the silicone mold will be ready. Mud will come out, mud clay will come out from the mold, and mold outer surface I have to cut with a scissor or knife to get a smooth surface. After that, I'll clean this mold with a normal soap and water. So my mold will be ready. In this mold, you can see it is a unique one. Which one, whatever you need shape, you can make it. Top of this mold, I put some powder, normal body powder, we can use it. And after that, I put a corn clay, a homemade corn clay, description already given in the below link. After spreading this powder, I'll put a clay. I have tried with the Vaseline and oil also. If I put oil, some stickiness will be there. But if you put a powder, and after putting powder, just drop it one time the mold, it will be neat and clean clay structure becoming. Simple corn clay I'm using and pressing it everywhere. Once it's ready, immediately we can take it out and see the shape will be ready. By same process, you can use anything for molding. Just you need a liquid silicone rubber and little bit mud clay to make a mold. Whatever you want to make a design, you can make a design. Using this peacock feather, I'm going to make some peacock flower vase, peacock shape jewelry box. That is the reason I'm making this video and showing you. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please let me know.